Hi there, welcome to our channel FleeTech. In this video, we will be reviewing SafePal.com. So if you are into crypto and looking for a secure and easy way to manage your assets, SafePal is definitely worth checking out. SafePal is a crypto wallet that supports a wide range of coins and tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and tons of others. You can use it as a software wallet through the app or go fully offline with your hardware wallet for maximum security. One thing I really like is how user friendly the app is. Even if you're not super tech savvy, it's easy to send, receive, swap, and track your crypto all in one place. Plus, it connects with DeFi platforms, apps, and even NFT marketplaces. Security wise, SafePal takes things seriously. The hardware wallet is completely air gapped, meaning no Bluetooth, Wi Fi, or USB. So your private keys stay 100% offline, and even the mobile app has strong encryption and secure backups options. Whether you are a casual investor or deep into DeFi, SafePal gives you control without compromising on safety. It's fast, flexible, and built for the real world of crypto. So, if you are serious about keeping your crypto safe while still having full control and easy access, SafePal is definitely worth a look. Whether you go with the app or the hardware wallet, it's secure, simple, and built for the future of crypto. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.